guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and someone had requested Chinese fried chicken, and today's your lucky day. We are going to be fixing Chinese fried chicken. Here I have 4 leg quarters that I washed and prepped. I have some soy sauce, I have ginger, garlic, green onions, star anise, I have some Chinese cooking wine, and some Chinese 5-spice. I also have some white pepper and some sugar. Let's get started. So guys, the first thing we'll do is brine the chicken. We will do that by adding some sugar and some salt to this chicken, and we will let this sit for 4 to 6 hours. If you can let this sit overnight, that will be best. You will get the best results if you let this sit in your refrigerator overnight. But I don't have the time today, so I am allowing it to sit for about 4 to 6 hours. I'll go and run a few errands, cook some fried rice, and then I'll get back to the chicken. So we'll let this soak in the sugar and salt. All of the ingredients and measurements will be listed down in my description box. We'll let this soak and I'll be back with you guys. Next, we'll add all of our ingredients to this pot with water. I have added 3 cups of water to the pot, and now I will add my soy sauce, my sugar, all of the ingredients. Like I said before, everything will be listed in my description box. We'll add them here and we will let this boil for about 10 minutes. We want all those flavors to just absorb into the water and just be a nice broth for our chicken to parboil in. So after about 10 minutes, our water should be ready now. And what we'll do is add our chicken in here. We'll add it in and we will allow the chicken to boil in this water for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what we'll do is every 5 minutes, we will baste the chicken with the liquid. We'll go in with our spoon and we'll baste it, just to make sure that the chicken is being really good and submerged in that liquid. And we'll let it go for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll show you guys the next step. After about 20 minutes, we will now remove the chicken from the liquid. We'll turn our heat off and we'll simply remove the chicken. But you have to be very gentle because we don't want to damage the chicken skin, okay? We want the chicken skin there, because it's just better to fry the chicken with the skin. It's nice and crispy. It's also better for presentation purposes. So we don't want to damage the skin. Be very gentle and remove the chicken. So here I placed my chicken on a draining rack because you want the chicken to drain off and dry a little bit before we start frying it. You don't want to place the chicken straight out of that water into the oil. It's very, very dangerous. So we let it drain. Next, we'll go ahead and fry our chicken. We will deep fry it in enough oil that the chicken can be submerged in there. We'll fry the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, or at least until you see your chicken starts to look golden brown. At this point, it should be thoroughly cooked because we parboil the chicken first. So once your chicken starts to look golden brown, you will remove the chicken from the oil and proceed with frying the rest of the chicken. You can allow your chicken to get as brown or as light as you like. It is your choice. So now we'll continue the same process until we are all done. And once you're all done, guys, this is how your chicken should be looking. Nice, yummy, and delicious. Now I'll plate this up and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my take on a delicious Chinese fried chicken. Whoever asked for the recipe, I hope it met all of your expectations. If you follow the steps, you should end up with something amazing. It's crispy on the outside, soft, moist, and juicy on the inside. I will be pairing mine up with some fried rice, but you can have yours with whatever you like. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!